Alrighty. So the weekend update. Weekend update is got a bunch of flooring down. Delivered the cabinets. Put some flooring down. Fun fact, the furnace won't go on. Yay. Sat for 10 years until I plugged a gas tank into it. Worked all last season, and then now, no. So, but whatever. It is what it is. I hit another coat of compound on everything that's ready to be sanded and primed. The ceiling in here is touched up. This is already primed. See, after you put the primer, you can see where the imperfections are. Oh boy, I missed some, but okay. I could use some ready patch on that. That's it, yeah. I got enough boxes of this. Actually, I got one too many boxes. That's fine. I don't know. What else is there? I got to start taking some garbage out. I'm going to be using some of this, but I'm not going to be using all of this. I'm done with sheetrock. No, I'm not done with sheetrock, but... I mean, a couple pieces on here, but I'm not going to put scraps on here anyways. Got a bunch of electrical to do. All those outlets and switches have to go in. All right, that's it. Forward progress. Eventually it'll all get done. It's come a long way from where it was. It was an absolute knockdown when I walked up to it, but I see this place has potential for what it is. Has potential for what it is. Cozy little getaway with a whole bunch of little amenities. It's going to have an awesome porch in the back. Great views. Have an awesome porch in the front. Should I have a covered porch out front? I don't think so. I don't know. That would make a big covered porch, though. The beams have to go like this for the porch. The planks on top. Look, the spacing on this is only set up for 2 by 6s. Oh boy. 2 by 6s. Do I want to put pressure treated 2 by 6s on this? Not really. They're not that costly. Two by 6s. Let's see, how many would I need? Looks like about 12 feet long. 24 2 by 6s. 24 2 by 6s be a lot cheaper than doing the Trex. Trex will look good though. All right, let's not